Hi, we are going to talk today about our pressurized tanks. Every single Alliance pump has air in the system. Every tank in our system is pressurized to 0.6 minimum to around 1 bar of pressure. In the tank, you are always going to have a gauge that shows the pressure. Never let that pressure when you're working be less than 0.6. And if you go up to 0.1, you are going to be within the safe system. Our system, the moment you go over the pressure, because the heat, the expansion, the oil coming back into the system will be controlled by the first relief valve that they set up to 1.2 bar, and if it's too much, it will be controlled by the second relief valve that is connected to 1.7 bar. The reason we have air in our system is we can control the forming of bubbles inside the oil. When the oil goes through the system and come back to the tank, it creates turbulence. Turbulence creates bubbles. Bubbles in your system means you are going to be pushing air through your pump and creating cavitation and taking out the life of the pump. With air in the system, not only we manage to keep a cleaner system, we can control a good flow and control turbulence. One of the good things of this is when you need to check a system that is connected to the tank, always release the pressure inside the tank, and the line that uses to drain the air out of the tank can be connected to a vacuum, and that will hold the oil so you won't have a mess. As a rule, every day at the end of your shift, after you have finished everything, after you have checked that you haven't left anything behind in the job site, drain the air until it's completely zero. Close the valve so the next day in the morning when the pressure gets built up again, you will have only fresh air. You will be able to control condensation, and you will be able to control turbulence and formation of bubbles all the time. Thank you.